Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a tiny squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had a special shiny acorn that made wishes come true. One sunny day, Sammy found a sad little bird who couldn't fly. With a kind heart, Sammy made a wish on the acorn, and the bird's wings grew strong. They became the best of friends, going on exciting adventures together. They helped a giggly frog find his lost crown and danced with colorful butterflies. Every day was a new magical journey for Sammy and his bird friend, reminding them that kindness and friendship make the world a wonderful place. Like the video and to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself.